Secret number three, and I talked about this earlier, is stop competing. If you're going into a highly competitive market, your IP is valuable and it can enable you to do a number of things to differentiate yourself. And one of those is maybe you're in a market that is highly competitive. You can become an innovation company. Your technology is valuable to bigger partners. Why not license it out to what would be bigger competitors and become an innovation company? Keep in mind that companies are getting out of the R&D business. They're looking to the small business community, they're looking to the inventor community, and they're trying to find the latest in technologies. This is a way you can set yourself apart. Even if you've started down the road and you're in the market and you're trying to build business, you can always pivot and move toward this idea of becoming an innovation company and stop competing altogether. Let your IP do the work for you. That's one of the beauties of licensing. And again, you can start to use licensing as part of your business strategy to move your business, move your IP in a different direction toward licensing it out to other companies.